Is AI making you dumber? How to stay smart in the age of smart machines. AI is changing the world. It can write stories, answer questions, even plan your career in 30 seconds. But here's a hard truth. The more you let AI do your thinking, the less thinking you actually do. And over time, that can make you dumber. Not because AI is evil, but because we stop using our brains. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use AI in a way that makes you sharper, smarter, and more mentally unstoppable, instead of turning into a passive, button-clicking zombie. Stick around, because this might be the most important self-improvement idea you hear this year. The problem? Comfort kills growth. Think about this. Every time you use GPS, you get where you're going. But do you actually remember the route? Nope. Because when something does the work for you, your brain says, cool, I'll chill. Same with AI. If you're using AI to answer everything instantly, summarize what you didn't read, write what you didn't think about, it might feel productive, but you're not learning. You're outsourcing your thinking, problem solving, and creativity. The brain is like a muscle. Use it or lose it. And now that AI can do so much, not using your brain becomes easier than ever. That's the real danger, not AI itself, but how it can make you mentally soft without you even realizing it. Tip 1. Think before you prompt. Don't make AI your first step, make it your second. Before asking ChatGPT or any generative AI anything, ask yourself, what do I already know? What would I guess? How would I solve this without help? Even if your answer is wrong, trying activates your brain. Then use AI to correct or enhance your thinking. That's how you learn fast and retain it. Pro tip, use a notebook. Write down your thoughts before you open any AI tool. Make your brain wrestle with the question first. Tip number 2, use AI as a teacher, not a doer. When most people use AI, they say things like, write this for me, do this task, give me the answer. But that mindset makes you dependent. Instead, try this. Ask AI, can you walk me through this step by step? Or, what's the thinking behind this approach? Or even, can you quiz me on this topic? You're now using AI as a mentor, not a robot. And that shift in mindset makes all the difference. Think of it like this. If Google gave you fish, AI can teach you how to fish, but only if you ask the right way. Tip number 3, rephrase to remember. After AI teaches you something, don't move on yet. Pause, then explain it back in your own words. You can write it, say it out loud, or teach it to a friend. This is called active recall, and it's one of the most powerful tools for deep learning. AI feeds you information, but when you retrieve it from your own brain, that's when the real wiring happens. Tip number 4, stay curious. Curiosity is the lifeblood of intelligence, but AI can kill it if you're not careful. How? By giving you instant answers. No friction, no effort, just results. You stop wondering, you stop digging deeper. That's a dangerous habit. Instead, train yourself to ask follow-up questions. Why is this true? What's the opposite idea? How would this work in real life? Let AI fuel your curiosity, not replace it. Curiosity is what separates people who consume from people who create, innovate, and lead. Tip 5, use AI to build, not just browse. Don't just ask for knowledge, build something with it. AI is amazing for brainstorming, organizing, and accelerating creation. So why not use it to build a blog, plan a YouTube channel, code a game, create a business plan, start a podcast. Creation forces you to apply what you've learned. That's where real intelligence grows. You're not just absorbing, you're synthesizing, and that's the ultimate form of smart.
Real quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more awesome people like you. And if you're new here, subscribe for more contents to improve your life. Now back to it.
Tip number 6, protect your focus. Quick answers are addicting. They train your brain to avoid effort. But deep work, the kind that actually changes your life, takes time. Start practicing 25-minute focus blocks with no AI, reading full articles instead of summaries, solving problems without shortcuts. It's like training your brain at the gym. Focus is your mental endurance. Don't lose it. Tip number 7. Question the AI. AI is smart, but not always right. It can hallucinate, mislead, or feed you outdated or biased info. So, practice digital discernment. Cross-check facts. Ask for sources. Compare with real-world examples. Use AI as a starting point, not a final truth. Tip number 8. Schedule AI free. Give your brain time to breathe. Schedule moments in your day where you solve, think, or reflect with no tools, just you and your thoughts. It might feel slow, but it builds mental independence. This isn't just about productivity. It's about protecting your identity as a thinker. Tip number 9. Teach what you learn. If you can explain it, you own it. Use what AI helped you learn, then share it. Make a video, write a blog, create a post. Teaching forces you to organize and clarify your thinking. The best way to learn is to teach. So teach, even if no one's watching. Tip number 10. You're the driver, not the passenger. Control the tool, don't let the tool control you. Ask yourself, am I using AI to grow or just escape effort? Set boundaries. Use it with intention. Reflect after each session. What did I really learn? Aim for self-reliance, not convenience. Remember, AI should amplify your mind, not replace it. The hidden cost of mental convenience. Let's zoom out for a second. Imagine two people using AI. One uses it to avoid thinking. The other uses it to expand their thinking. After a month, not much difference. But after a year, one has sharper ideas, deeper insights, and real skills. The other is faster, but foggier. This is the hidden cost of mental convenience. You don't feel the damage today, but you pay for it with your future clarity, your creativity, and your confidence. So ask yourself, am I getting smarter or just getting faster? Am I growing stronger mentally or just outsourcing the hard parts of learning? AI isn't just a shortcut, it's a mirror. It shows how we choose to engage with the world. Use it to stretch, to challenge yourself, to push your thinking further than ever before. Because in a world of fast answers, those who stay thoughtful win. Here's what it comes down to. Use AI like a master carpenter uses tools with skill, vision, and control. Don't become another passive consumer, be intentional. Be curious, be in control. Train yourself to stay sharp, stay curious, and stay in charge. The future won't belong to people who copy prompts. It'll belong to those who think deeper. Learn faster, and use AI to amplify their own brilliance. Think deeper, grow smarter. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Because when you take action, it worked.